Hi friends, welcome to the session. In the earlier session, we have seen some simple ticketing app. So there we took some kind of the inputs from the keyboard, like enter name, how many tickets, and as well as the group discount. There we found some sort of though that particular group discount is not there, but still it is counting. Okay. So simple thing, friends. Here, Python, as I said, interpreter-based language. Interpretation means line by line it is going to execute. If I am executing this particular program, obviously what it is doing, just line by line it is asking, and after entering your input, then only it is going to navigate to the execution of the program. Now, if you consider this partition, friends, actually this is one block actually. So suppose if the condition is true, then only the appropriate statement should be executed. There is a powerful concept called indentation. You might have observed, friends, in the earlier session itself. If I'm taking this particular if condition, and if this is true, then only the remaining things will be executed. In this particular case, our print statement, whatever the group discount applied also should come under the purview of this particular condition. So simple, just to type tab here, obviously it comes under this particular if. Now you execute. So just you can execute. What is the command, friend? Shift enter. Now it is asking the name. So just I am giving the name, and then now we need to execute the group discount. For example, if I'm giving 6, okay, and enter, obviously no, friends, 6 means obviously group discount is true, because greater than or equal to 5 means group discount is true. So that is 6 into the corresponding discount, whatever the discount we are having on the total price, we are getting this 1350. Suppose that if I am not giving greater than 5 or equal to 5, then in that particular case, what we need to do, just we need to observe how this particular less than 5 kind of thing behave. So again, I am executing this particular same code with a different input. Okay, just I am selecting and shift enter. Ah, just I am giving the name of the kind of the person, and how many tickets. This time I am taking 4, and now you see, friends, it should not give the group discount. See, thank you, Kumar, you booked only 4 tickets, so total cost 4 into 250, there is no discount. So the point is, friends, indentation playing a vital role, and it won't give any error, though if you are giving that print group discount out of that if condition. But as a programmer, as a developer, friends, you should execute the logic in a proper way. So in that particular case, we should be having that particular convention of observing the things. So this is how you need to perform the kind of the logic. And I want to use two more. I want to use your 2 more minutes, friends. Like the recap of whatever we have seen in the earlier sessions. Now you see data science. We started with why Python is used for the data science, because of its simplicity, powerful libraries, and all these things. And what do you mean by data science? Which is getting the insights from the data and as well as the visualizations. Various use cases we have seen. Machine learning is some subset of the artificial intelligence, which is something like which is making the predictions and as well as the decisions without being explicitly programmed. So just with the help of some ML algorithms, just we can make use of the insights of the data, decision making with respect to the predictions and all. And deep learning is something which is, of course, a subset of the machine learning, which is a human. It is mimicking of a human brain, like neural networks and all, which are very interesting, friends. Actually, the topics. And then artificial intelligence, which is simulating human intelligence. So the practice of whatever the logic, whatever the way you are simulating the human intelligence, that all comes under the category of the AI, actually, all those things. And generative AI is generation of the content in terms of text, image, music, or code, which create the new content. And many use cases we have seen, like chat gpt, all generating synthetic data from the simulation. And most importantly, we have seen some sort of the natural language processing, computer vision, reinforcement learning. NLP deals with the text, computer vision deals with images and videos. Reinforcement learning is something like reward-based system. Okay, just gaming and all the kind of things. And most importantly, the role fixation. Okay, maybe initially if you start with data analyst, your activities comes under the category of the data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, data storytelling, all these things. Likewise, we have seen data scientist and as well as ML engineer, deep learning specialist, NLP engineer, computer vision engineer, big data analyst, and the corresponding core skills and tools and technologies also I have mentioned in the table. You go through them, and AI product manager and generative AI engineer. So these are all various roles and all, where you initially see that how your thought process suits with these kind of the skill set. And most importantly, friends, after this particular thing, just we have seen the Anaconda Navigator, which provides the Jupyter notebook. And with the help of that particular Jupyter notebook, we have seen some example. Okay, just now we worked on some sort of the example. So like creation of the just to print and assigning some values and printing of the formatted output. And then we designed a small application like taking the name and number of tickets and applicability of the logic if the number of tickets are greater than or equal to 5. So that's all for today's session, friends, and thank you very much. Okay, just I'll share all these particular details in the description. Okay, so just keep learning. No problem. We'll go slowly, and of course, I'll introduce all the interview questions and all these kind of the advancements so that you can prepare and crack the interviews. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. See you.